Let's learn action words at the grocery store. Learn common action words and how to use them while shopping at the grocery store. Let's learn together. Look for. Spell look for. L-O-O-K-F-O-R. Look for. The meaning is to try to find something or someone. For example, you could say, I look for milk. I look for apples. I look for my mom. Take. Spell take. T-A-K-E. Take. The meaning is to get something and bring it with you. For example, I take a shopping basket. I take milk. I take my groceries home. Get. Spell get. G-E-T. Get. The meaning is to obtain or receive something. For example, I get a shopping cart. I get some apples. I get milk. Count. Spell count. C-O-U-N-T. Count. The meaning is to say the number of things one by one. Example, I count the apples. I count the coins. I count the items in my basket. Buy. Spell buy. B-U-Y. Buy. Meaning to get something by paying money for it. Example, I buy groceries. I buy apples. I buy food at the store. Give. Spell give. G-I-V-E. Give. Meaning to hand something to someone. Example, I give the cashier my card. I give the cashier money. Pay. Spell pay. P-A-Y. Pay. The meaning is to give money for something. Example, I pay with cash. I pay with a card. Or I pay at the cashier. Action words at the grocery store. Look for. I look for pasta in the aisle. Take. I take an apple from the shelf. Get. I get milk from the refrigerator. Count. I count the oranges. Buy. I buy cereal for breakfast. Give. I give my points card to the cashier. Pay. I pay with my debit card. Practice makes progress. Use these action words every time you go shopping. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Questions We Ask in English.